Hello friends, today we'll be reviewing a fragrance from Zara called as Love Explosion. It is the special edition and this is a 30 ml bottle which I have bought for 1250 rupees from a Zara store in Ahmedabad. And this is a very rosy fragrance, powdery, heavy floral, vanilla, musky fragrance, and it's very feminine and elegant. And you can also use it and layer it with other fragrances from Zara as mentioned on the packaging. That's Zara Red Temptation and Rose Gourmand. But few of the people online said that it is exactly like Rose Gourmand from Zara, and I thought that I already had this fragrance, so I just checked through my collection and I found that it smells exactly like Covered in Roses from Bath and Body Works, which is currently in trend because it smells exactly like a luxury perfume from Perfume de Marley's called as Delina. So it is said to be a dupe for that, and I think then Love Explosion would also be a dupe for Delina. So if you want to have an EDP version of Delina, you can buy this Love Explosion special edition from Zara. But if you want to have it in body mist form, you can buy this Covered in Roses from Bath and Body Works. But if you see the longevity, I think they are closer to each other. Like it lasts for 7 to 8 hours, and this also lasts for like 5 to 6 hours. So they are close to each other in the longevity wise. And to talk about the notes of this perfume, the notes as mentioned on Fragrantica are top notes are peony, bergamot, and bitter orange. Middle notes are rose, praline, and amber, and base notes are vanilla, musk, and moss. So when I say powdery fragrance, many of you might think that it smells like a normal rose powdery kind of a fragrance or something like gulab jal, but no, it doesn't smell like that. It's a very deep rosy fragrance, as in if you smell rose buds and like a bouquet of rose buds, so it smells like that, but with a mix of vanilla and musk to it. So it's exactly like this Covered in Roses, and both of them have the same opening. Since I am a huge fan of rose based fragrances, I really love this one, and it really makes you feel very luxurious, as if you are using a luxury perfume. And I really liked it, and I'm definitely going to buy it again if I could get my hands on this one from Zara. And it's a very heavy floral fragrance, definitely, but not too sweet, and gourmand kind of a fragrance. So if you do like such fragrances, do give this one a try and let me know in the comment section below if you like it.